Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to have you here today. My name is Ann Mowbray, and I'm a real estate agent here in beautiful Edmonton, Alberta. Now, if you're finding it tough to save for a down payment or qualify for a mortgage, don't worry. Rent-to-own might just be the solution you're looking for. In this video, I'll break down how rent-to-own works, discuss available loan programs, and help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more real estate tips and updates. Ready? Let's get started. So, what exactly is rent-to-own? Rent-to-own is a program that allows you to rent a home while working toward ownership. Instead of just paying rent, a portion of your monthly payment goes toward your future down payment. This can be a fantastic solution if you don't have enough savings for a down payment yet, your credit score needs a bit of improvement, or you want to lock in today's home prices while getting ready to buy. All right, how does rent-to-own actually work? There are two main parts to a rent-to-own agreement. First, there's the lease agreement. You agree to rent the home for a set period, usually between 2 to 5 years, while you build your down payment. Second, you have an option to buy. At the end of the lease, you have the exclusive right to purchase the home at a predetermined price. Now, let's talk about the loan programs and financing options available when you're ready to buy the home. Here in Edmonton, you've got some great choices. The first-time home buyer incentive is a government program that helps reduce your monthly mortgage payments. If you have less than 20% down, CMHC-insured mortgages can allow you to get a mortgage with as little as 5% down. And if your credit needs some work, lenders can help you improve your score before applying for a mortgage. Like everything, rent-to-own has its pros and cons. On the plus side, you get time to save for a down payment. You can build your credit while living in the home, and you lock in today's price before the market rises. But on the downside, if you don't qualify for a mortgage at the end, you could lose your deposit. The home price is usually fixed and might be higher than the market value in the future. Plus, not all rent-to-own contracts are structured fairly, so you really need to be careful. So, is rent-to-own right for you? It can be a great stepping stone toward homeownership, but it's not for everyone. It's essential to have a solid contract, understand the terms, and work with professionals who can guide you. If you're considering rent-to-own in Edmonton and want to explore your options, let's chat. I can help you find the best path to home ownership. Message me today, and let's make your dream of owning a home a reality. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.